of mind, knowing exactly where to pick. He's not even sure whether to bring that feeler inside the circle, but just look at that stance. And he's pointing at the bowler, I'm going to hit you out of the park. And then he stops. Complete shock. That's a good ploy.
Yeah, these are the moments of BPL too. I like that. Chapu Zadran into his final over, which is the penultimate one of the innings. And look at that style, just giving him the threat that he can. They'll scoop that, he can do anything with that delivery, and losing his focus, Chapu Zadran.
He's hit that. Oh, he's stopped. Very nicely done. Travis Bird has pulled that one. But it's nevertheless a good shot. Will fetch him 2 more runs. And more importantly, he's still on strike. 22 from 7. Getting tight. Going down the wire. It's a good shot. Hang on. Again having a few words, exchange of words from Nasser Hussain. Getting under the skin.
This young man is trying to do everything.
Now he's batting with left hand. Can't believe this. Then he switches over. No ball. It's all happening. He took his stance initially as a left-hander and then changed it to the right-hander, and would you believe it? Chapu Zadran has bowled a no ball and it will be a free hit.
Well, we all know Nasser Hussain very closely. He has been a very gentle guy, a very benign one. But look at that. He has truly shattered the confidence of Chapu Zadran. He cannot focus on to deliver this last delivery of this over. And very clearly overstepping on that occasion. He has done the trick. And now let's see if he can find this epi out of this free hit or not. Truly frustrated Chapu Zadran. Nasser Hussain doing everything right maybe.
He's certainly